Okay, welcome back. This is week 4 of the 0 to 1 million funded. Um, Pretty much the week was a break even week. I didn't take a lot of trades. I took one trade on Wednesday and closed the trade before going to sleep at my entry. So that trade actually ended up playing out to the take profit that I initially had. But because I was going to bed, I had fear of waking up on a loss. So, looking back and journaling my psychology, I noticed that basically I entered that trade not accepting the risk. So, I need to risk less if I'm entering that grade of a trade. So, I've put things into place now where I grade everything better and I grade my psychology as well. So, before I enter a trade, I'll grade my psychology, and if my psychology is low on a grade, I'll risk less to match that psychology or even miss the trade just because of my psychology, because most of my trades are being affected by my mindset. So yeah, then I took another trade on Thursday. That trade on Thursday did end up being a stop loss, hit my stop loss, so I lost 1%. Pretty much is a break even week because I made a little bit of money on the trade on Wednesday and then lost the 1% on Thursday. Friday didn't trade. I saw that Friday had a crash, so this week in the markets pretty much is going to be a bit of a waiting period for price to correct, because as you can see, I'm looking through, a lot of price has just melted or gone bullish. So yeah, there's two pairs I'm going to be looking at on Monday, but I'm going to be very patient. The first one is GBP CAD. GBP CAD is bullish on the weekly, daily is bullish. We have reacted nicely off an area of interest from the weekly. That's actually a really good candle. The 4 hour is bullish. I'm pretty much expecting GBP CAD to either shoot off and just leave the entry. There's no entry. It's probably not going to be an entry, or it's going to just relax and wait for London session for the volume. I'm hoping that London session is ready for this trade, but yet again, I'm going to be patient and catch a high quality trade. I don't want to be catching any low grade trades because I want to speed this process up. And the one thing that's holding me back is my low grade trades. So yeah, going to be doing higher grade trades. On Euro GBP, we can see here that the weekly is bullish, obviously. We've attempted the second run on, well, I'd say it's a third attempt, because if you put the line on this wick here, this wick, we've had money taken out. Price came up again, went above, but then came back under. So the second candle came back under, showing signs that this line is respected, and melted. And then we went up again, attempted again for the third time at that area, and we are now pushing to the downside. So I'm seeing a weekly head and shoulders. It's a very, very terrible head and shoulders. So, but I'm just literally looking at the peaks of the head and shoulders. I'm not looking at this massive run. I'm just looking at the peaks and seeing that there's 3 areas here that are being respected. And yeah, so on the daily, I'm seeing that price is actually bullish. As you can see here, price drop down, come up, push this low here, giving this the lower high, and then price did break that high, but didn't come lower than here, which is the beginning of the new high. So we are bullish, but I'm expecting price after this massive wick to push to the downside. I need more confirmation. Yet again, I need high grade trades. So here we can see the swing low for the 4 hour. We've come up, we've now shown signs that this could be the lower high. I need more price action on Monday to give me my judgment for the opportunity for a sell. Because this trade is kind of a lower grade trade, more to do with the fact that the weekly is showing strong signs of bearish momentum, I'm going to risk less on this trade if it does present itself on Monday. But yet again, I'm not rushing anything. I'm not eager to rush anything. So we'll just see how that goes. Pretty much all the pairs are just all the pairs are pretty much just, they need time to correct. So yeah, I'm not really looking for anything on Monday other than them two pairs. This will be week 5. This breakdown is for week 5. I've got a lot more things in play, so I feel like my trading should level up this week with my psychology and the grading of the trades I'm going to be taking. So yeah, that's pretty much the video for today. It's a quick video. I'm not pretty much going to go over a lot of things, but yeah, so that's it.